Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to resolve this error uh, when you try to run Django with mysql, and here I'm using Django version 5. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to run make migration command, and I'm getting this error: did you install mysql client? So in order to resolve this error, first thing you can do, just make sure you have this package installed, py-mysql. Once this package is installed, what you need to do, you need to update init.py file. So this file will be in your project origin. So I will go to my project origin file, and so this is the file which I need to update. And what I will write here, I will write import py mysql So after writing this, just save it. So you can press, as you can see here, Control X and then press Y and enter. So the file is saved. Now let's try to run our command again. Let me clear the terminal. So now I'm running make migration command. Sorry. So I will. So this time I didn't have any issue related with the previous error. So the error is resolved. Thank you very much for watching.